Welcome to Tushu Art and Craft. Today we're going to make cute gradient sticky memo notes. Alright, let's get started. First, draw a circle on paper and cut it out with scissors. Next, fold a paper, draw a heart, and cut it out. Now place the circle and heart on a new paper and shade around them. It's time for the main part. I'm using oil pastels, but you can use colored pencils if you want. Let's try 3 ways to blend. 1. Blending with finger. 2. Blending with tissue paper. 3. Blending with cotton buds. Yay! Blending done! Now cut it out following the shape. We can actually cut these pieces in an even easier way, and we'll show you that as well, so it becomes super convenient for you. So now, if we just fold the paper, draw the shape on top, and then cut it out, we can easily create these memo note pages or sheets in no time. Next, we'll take some double-sided tape and cut it into small pieces, then place them on the back of each page. After that, we'll peel off the top layer of the double-sided tape and stick each page one by one. And just like that, our memo notes are all done. We're going to create the base for this memo note now. I've taken a sheet and cut it into a square shape. After that, we'll use our fingers to blend the color on it in. Now, we've placed double-sided tape in the middle of these bases, but you can also use glue if you prefer. We're attaching the memo notes. Our cute gradient sticky memo notes are completely ready now. They're looking super cute and colorful, perfect for adding a fun touch to journals, planners, or even as little reminder notes. We can totally use them to decorate our diaries or stick them on gifts for that extra handmade charm. Let's show them off. You can give it a try too. Thank you for watching the video.